Welcome to the top picks. The best plant waterers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any plant parent, especially those who struggle with consistent watering schedules or find themselves away from home frequently, ensuring your beloved greenery receives the hydration it needs without the guesswork, thereby preventing both underwatering and overwatering, which are common pitfalls that can lead to wilting leaves, root rot, or even the demise of your cherished indoor jungle. Number 5. PetraTools HD101 Garden Pump Sprayer. Introducing the PetraTools HD101 Garden Pump Sprayer, your new partner for achieving professional results at home. It's designed for ease of use and exceptional performance in your garden. This sprayer boasts a long hose and a comfortable handle, allowing for extended use without strain. Its design ensures you can reach every corner of your garden with ease. Safety is paramount. It features a built-in pressure release valve to prevent accidental bursts, ensuring safe operation. You can rely on its durable construction for leak-free performance. Achieve precise application with 2 included nozzles. Whether you need a gentle mist or a powerful jet, it adapts to all your lawn care, pest control, and fertilizing needs. Never worry about clogs again. Built-in filters keep the nozzle clear, ensuring consistent spraying every time. Simply clean the filters if needed to maintain optimal performance. From watering and fertilizing to applying specialized solutions like mulch glue, this sprayer handles it all. It's the versatile tool every DIY gardener needs. What we like? This sprayer offers versatile application with adjustable nozzles for precise control. Its built-in filters ensure clog-free performance, and a safety pressure release valve adds an extra layer of security. If you're looking for a reliable tool for various gardening tasks like fertilizing, pest control, or even applying mulch glue, this is a great choice for its ease of use and safety features. What people say. The watering device is easy to set up and use. It effectively waters my plants, keeping them hydrated. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with my home decor. Number 4. Little green leaf automatic plant watering globes. Tired of guessing when your plants need water? These automatic watering globes ensure your plants get the hydration they need, exactly when they need it. Simply fill and insert for healthy, happy plants. Elevate your plant's aesthetic with these beautifully crafted glass watering globes. Their elegant design complements any decor, adding a touch of sophistication to your indoor or outdoor garden. Made from durable, hand-blown glass, each globe is meticulously crafted for longevity. They are designed to provide consistent watering, promoting optimal root health without the risk of overwatering. Say goodbye to tedious watering cans and expensive self-watering planters. This affordable and efficient system makes plant care simple and effective, ensuring your plants thrive. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These stylish watering bulbs come in beautiful packaging, making them an ideal present for any plant enthusiast, gardener, or for a housewarming. Going away? These self-watering globes provide up to 14 days of consistent moisture, ensuring your plants stay hydrated while you're gone. They are perfect for houseplants, garden pots, and hanging planters. Add a splash of color and style to your plants while keeping them perfectly hydrated. Crafted from eco-conscious materials, these decorative globes are a beautiful and responsible choice for plant care. What we like? These beautiful hand-blown glass globes add a touch of elegance to any plant display. They automatically release water as the soil dries, ensuring your plants stay hydrated without over or underwatering. If you appreciate aesthetic appeal and want a simple, hands-free way to keep your indoor plants healthy, especially when you're away or busy, these are perfect. What people say. The watering device works great and keeps my plants perfectly watered. I love the design of this watering device. It's very easy to use and looks nice in my home. This product is a lifesaver for my houseplants, ensuring they get the right amount of water even when I'm away. Number 3. HEKIWAY 49-foot Solar Drip Irrigation System Kit. This automatic drip irrigation system is designed for year-round convenience, working seamlessly both indoors and outdoors. During winter, simply charge it via the Type-C port to ensure continuous watering for your indoor plants. In warmer seasons, the solar panel powers the system automatically, delivering worry-free, energy-efficient watering all day long. With 25 customizable timer modes, you can set watering durations from 3 to 20 minutes and intervals from 12 to 96 hours. It's more water efficient than conventional systems, and once set, it will run automatically at your preset times. Tailor watering schedules based on plant size and environmental conditions. Adjust watering frequency and duration for small, medium, or large plants, and adapt to temperature and humidity changes for optimal growth. This kit includes everything you need to create a custom layout for up to 15 plants. With a high flow rate, it's ideal for watering flowers, vegetables, and more with ease and efficiency. This system alerts you with a buzzer or flashing light if there's a blockage or if the water container is empty. Regular cleaning of the water level sensor helps prevent false alarms and ensures smooth operation. What we like. This system offers intelligent, automated watering powered by solar energy or USB. With 25 customizable timer modes, you can precisely control watering schedules for multiple plants, and a smart alarm notifies you of any issues. If you have a collection of indoor or outdoor potted plants and want a highly efficient, low-maintenance, and eco-friendly watering solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. The watering device is easy to set up and use, making plant care much simpler. It effectively keeps my plants hydrated, even when I'm away for a few days. The design is discreet and doesn't detract from the appearance of my plants. Number 2. Mist watering wand for hanging baskets. Introducing our innovative watering wand, designed to make caring for your hanging plants a breeze. Its lightweight design ensures comfort, even during extended use. The 90-degree curved nozzle reaches the base of your plants with ease, directing water precisely where it's needed. Keep leaves dry and healthy with every use. Switch to mist mode for a soft, wide spray perfect for delicate flowers and young seedlings. Nurture your plants with the gentle care they deserve. Tired of holding down a trigger? Our switch locking design allows for continuous spraying, freeing your hands and reducing fatigue. This wand easily connects to standard 3/4 garden hoses, and includes adapters for quick setup. It's also perfect for car window cleaning and watering seedbeds. For optimal results, easily control water pressure by adding a valve to your hose. This allows you to fine-tune the spray to your exact needs. What we like. Designed with a 90-degree curved nozzle, this wand makes watering hanging plants at the base effortless. The locking spray switch means no more finger fatigue, and its lightweight construction ensures comfortable use. If you struggle with watering high or hard-to-reach hanging plants and want a tool that reduces strain and offers continuous spray, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The watering device is easy to use and set up. It effectively waters my plants, keeping the soil consistently moist. The design is discreet and doesn't detract from the plant's appearance. Number 1. Water Globes Automatic Plant Waterer. Never worry about your plants again. These automatic watering globes ensure they get the right amount of hydration, keeping them happy and healthy. Simply fill them with water and place them in the soil. They work with gravity to naturally water your plants, eliminating the need for complex systems. Maintain the ideal moisture balance for your plants. These globes prevent overwatering and drying out, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. Designed for safety, these watering bulbs are shatterproof. Unlike glass, they are durable and safe for your family and pets, even in harsh weather. These simple devices help your indoor and outdoor plants thrive. Maximize healthy growth without the need for constant attention or professional help. Filling is a breeze. Just hold at an angle and refill with water. Then, gently insert into the soil without shaking to ensure a steady water supply. What we like. These watering stakes are made from durable, shatterproof material, ensuring safety for your home and pets. They feature a simple refill design and maintain consistent soil moisture, preventing over or underwatering. If you're looking for a safe, reliable, and easy-to-use self-watering solution for both indoor and outdoor plants, especially if you're concerned about breakable glass globes, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The watering device is easy to use and refill, making plant care convenient. It effectively waters plants for extended periods, reducing the need for frequent watering. The design is discreet and blends well with indoor plants, adding a touch of elegance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.